Hey, I'm Joe with the Digitize Center. And to this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to safely and securely pack your Digitize Kit before you send your memories to us to get digitized. Inside your Digitize Kit, you will find a welcome guide and a customer card. I recommend you read the welcome guide, which will walk you through this entire process and provide you with some additional information. Some important information inside the welcome guide is a list of items we can digitize, our contact information, and most importantly, the return shipping label you will use to send your Digitize Kit back to us. The next thing you should do is fill out your customer card. This card helps us accurately track your order when it arrives at our facility. Be sure to accurately write down your name, shipping address, and contact information. At the bottom, write down how many items you are sending us. If you are not sure, writing down an estimate is just fine. Keep in mind that you can send to us as many items as you would like, even if it goes over what you originally paid for. Any additional items you send in will be invoiced to you later. On the back of your customer card is an upgrades form. Read through these and decide if you would like any upgrades added to your order. Popular options include digital memory backup and processing upgrades. Lastly, at the bottom, you can write any notes you think we should know about. This is a good area to indicate if you want any additional outputs, such as more thumb drives or disks. Once you have read the welcome guide and filled out your customer card, it's time to pack those memories inside the Digitize Kit. The first thing I recommend you do is organize your memories outside of the kit by type. Put all tapes together, all film together, all disks together, and all photos, slides, and negatives together. You're going to want to pack your items starting at the bottom of the box and as snug as possible, with lighter items on top. So, begin by placing your largest items neatly on the bottom of the kit, followed by any medium-sized items on top of these. Now, if you are sending in loose photos, slides, or negatives, I recommend you grab some plastic baggies, either sandwich size or freezer side, and place your images inside them. If you are sending in discs with either a paper case or no case at all, then I would recommend you place these in some sort of container if possible, such as a padded envelope. Once all your items are packed into the Digitize Kit, the next thing you will need is some packing material. Any type of packing material will do, including packing paper, bubble wrap, or even newspaper. Your goal is to fill the remaining empty space of your Digitize Kit with packing material so your items do not shift in transit. Lastly, take your filled out customer card and place it inside the Digitize Kit. You are now ready to send the Digitize Kit back to us for digitization. Take your Digitize Kit, place it in the shipping box it originally came in, and affix the return label over the original shipping label on the shipping box. Remove any shipping stickers on the shipping box if possible, and seal the box with some tape. So that covers how to securely and safely pack your Digitize Kit. Keep in mind that if the Digitize Kit is too small for all your items, you can always use your own box to send us your memories. The shipping label we provide to you will work with any size box. Thank you for watching, and prepare to relive those precious moments.